Hello all, welcome to Limitless Learning Series. So Saili ma'am, hello.
Hello.
So ma'am, today we would like to know as parents that how can we get more involved with our child's learning journey?
So, to be very frank, our children learn not only in a school but also at home in the environment which we create for them.
Okay.
So, there are basic few tips which I can give you. First one is that please attend parent teacher meeting very regularly.
Okay.
So it's not just about marks which we can discuss with teacher, but then how my child is growing, what kind of development checklist he is there, then different behavioral thing and everything you can ask teachers. And during that time you can ask them what kind of learnings are happening at school, where you can help child to create more and more learning environment at home. You will get many ideas from teacher.
But generally in this age we have seen that parents for preschool, they tend to ignore the PTM saying that my child is too small, what should I need to go and discuss, because whatever he is doing at home he might be doing the same thing at school also.
So with our experience, it is mostly happened that parents in preschool we do PTMs more often.
Correct.
Because at this age every 2 months we get to see a lot of development
Changes in the child.
Correct. So parents, but as an adult we think that हर 1.5 महीने में 1 महीने में there is a PTM, so what more am I going to discuss with a teacher? But then they should go and they should attend it more religiously. So they will understand, okay, last time in first PTM teacher had said this, my child was not settled. Now during second PTM, child is more settled.
Okay.
Third PTM, he has started talking, he has started making friends. So lot of development in his spoken skills, writing skills, behavioral development, gross motor skill, fine motor skills, they will see.
Okay.
Second tip is that let's bring school-based activities home. I'm not saying projects or something like that, but then if child is learning about plants at home, then let's water the plant at home together. If child is learning letters at home, let's create and have fun games about letters. So different these things, whatever teacher is teaching them at home, if we repeat it in a fun way, then definitely kids are going to enjoy.
And that will also help in reinforcement of the
Exactly.
Okay.
Then third is that we must ask our children about their daily everyday routine every day.
Okay.
So when they go to school, that time when they come back, ask them, what did you learn today? What was the best part of your learning?
Okay.
Then they feel that you value their experiences because they are going to put their experiences in their own word. When they are going to put it in their own words, that time automatically they are going to tell you about their friend, what she or he has done in the classroom, how teacher has reacted, what story teacher told you, what moral they understood out of it. So many things it will come
And also
out
what
of
he liked for that particular day, what he didn't like for that particular day.
Exactly. So you can ask, counter question. That conversation can be really fun.
Yeah.
Now, fourth thing is that help your child with small projects. Means be their partner in creativity, not their supervisor.
Okay.
So that is something very important. And the final thing is, let us celebrate progress, not just the result. Every step forward, whether it is a new word, neat drawing or solving math, deserves encouragement and joy.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. That was amazing. So parents, I hope you like this. Do subscribe our video for more such input. Thank you.
Thank you.